Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton. In the car is my younger brother Brady. Chad's gone today, so we're going to be doing this video together. I'm really excited to show you this badass 1969 Camaro. This car is absolutely amazing.
This is my dream car right here.
Your dream car. Can't afford it yet though, can you?
No, not yet. Maybe one day.
This thing is awesome. Show quality paint, four-wheel disc brakes, but the big kicker is what's under the hood. This thing's got a 427 with aluminum heads, headers. This is a fast, fun car to drive. 4-speed manual transmission. Just the overall quality on the build is amazing, and then the power plant's great as well. As I mentioned, four-wheel disc brakes, and they are power. It's got a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum heads, headers. Does not have power steering. The previous owner didn't want to take anything away from the power of that 427. Yep. But that's not a hard thing to, if that's a deal breaker for you on this car, talk to us, and that's something we can install in our shop. We can get you a price on what it would take to install power steering if that's what you want. But having drove this car, we ordered brand new electric motors and stuff for those headlights. It hasn't come in yet, but that's something that we're going to do on our sold ticket once the parts come in. Not cheap, those electric motors, but they work a lot better than vacuum. We go through these cars twice. Once when they come in on our check-in department, goes through, fixes a lot of the things, diagnoses the others, gets all the numbers and stuff off for us, and then once they're sold, they go back through the shop again, and that's where we'll fix stuff like the headlights that we had to order parts for. The paint on this Camaro is show quality. Beautiful color, darker than your typical Le Mans blue, a lot of metallic. And I love the wheels too. These aren't no cheap wheels. They look great, set the car apart.
And they're not something you see every day.
No, they're not. The reason is they're really damn expensive, and they take a while to come in. We don't do many of these custom wheels like are on this Camaro because you order them and they're months out, and then they're very expensive. But these ones came in with it, and I'm glad they did. It's got a really nice stance. Woolwood drilled and slotted rotors in the back.
And disc brakes all around too.
That's right.
That's always good.
Yep. White stripes, all the chrome on it's great. Love the exhaust tips. Body's really straight up and down the sides. Back package tray is really nice. 6x9 Pioneer speakers back there. The glass looks great.
And I don't know if you guys are music guys, but yeah, that speaker sounds great, and it's got the retro sound system.
Doesn't have you already tested her out?
Oh yeah, I was listening to music waiting for you to
I'm
come
surprised you haven't tried to convince Dad to let you drive this yet.
Pretty soon, maybe. Funny you guys don't buy it.
Door jamb paint, just as nice as the exterior paint. Corner of the door is rust-free. Door panels are in excellent condition. Dash pad paint on the dash, all that's awesome. 4-speed manual shifter.
And even
kind of rosewood center console.
I feel like they got carbon fiber up on the post, and then it's got your gauges on the driver's side too.
Yep, it's got a couple gauges up there on the pillar. Headliners, excellent. Back seat's nice. Front seat condition is nice as well. Carpet was replaced. Not much for. Haven't seen anything in the interior that I could pick apart yet. I don't think you're going to find anything. I mean, it's high-end car. But that color I love. I love a Le Mans blue as well, but this dark blue metallic is pretty hard to beat. It's got the, of course, the RSSS stuff on it with the Hideaway headlights, the reverse lights, all the tail lights, bumpers, trim, all that looks really good. Trunk lid lines up awesome.
And I love how that metallic makes it, like when the sun hits it, it's a light blue, but when it's not, it's almost like a deep blue.
Beautiful. Really nice stance. I love the 69 Camaros. I mean, they're really a body style of their own. They're still the first gen Camaro, but they're so much different than the 7s and 8s. There's no body panel on the 69 that is universal with the 7s and 8s. Again, door jamb paint, just as nice as the exterior. Even the door jamb paint looks like it was wet sanded and buffed. I mean, just shines great. This is a car that's going to win you some trophies at whatever car show you take it to. Probably win you some races too with that 427. Got the 427 badging on it. It's cool.
It's in great shape too.
Take her for a rip, should we?
Yep.
All right. And I fired this up today too, pulled it out of the showroom. It was sitting in the showroom for probably 5 days without being started. 2 pumps, turned the key and it popped right off. Idle's great too. And that 427 sound never gets old. Carries really good oil pressure. Temp gauge works. Heater fan works. Horn works as well. Like Brady said, you have a radio down here. Really good sounding speakers. Let's see. It looks like the radio. Let's try to see what it has. Sirius, has aux, and has Bluetooth. So you can pair your phone to it. What do you think, Colton? You kind of excited to see what the 427 can do?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
This thing caught my attention right as the trailer, came in that delivered it to us. And from the first test drive, I kind of fell in love with it. As I mentioned, no power steering. You're really only going to notice that when you're moving around a parking lot or kind of going slow, but it's nice when you are going down the road because it stays nice and tight. Man, this thing is awesome. What do you think, Colton? You ever been in a car this fast?
No. Nothing close.
And it didn't miss a beat either. The shifter's really nice and tight. The clutch is awesome. Getting into gear is really easy with it. And it burned rubber, first, second, third. See if we can do her again. Man, it just flies. This thing is awesome.
Damn, man.
Even in 4th gear, you hit it and it puts you right back in the seat. So let's say you just want to drive it like a normal person, which is hard to do with a 427 because it's got too much power to just putz around. But say you just wanted to drive it down the road at 55 miles an hour. Steering's really nice and tight. As I mentioned, the power, not having power steering, I think is a plus when you're going down the road because it just is nice and tight and steers easy. We'll try our synchros here. We're going to go down into 3rd. 2nd. Really nice synchros. And then down into 1st. I think I found the car I want to drive this weekend. It's this one.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking we had a really nice 70 that I might want to drive. But after this test drive, it's got to be this Camaro. This thing's way too fun. One last time. Man! 90 mile an hour. Handles awesome. Fast as hell. Shift's good. Clutch is good. Brakes are good. There's nothing that's not good about this 69 Camaro. Man, do yourself a favor. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage pictures. Give us a call and buy this Camaro. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and we'll see you next time.